go. It's a beautiful, sunny Saturday morning. Jeremy just went to town to buy all the wood so we can frame up another wall. I think we're just going to do another 16-foot wall today. And then maybe next week we'll work on the other like long walls, which is a 16 and an 8, I think. That's what it is, something like that. So yeah, look at the sky. It is lovely. It's supposed to be like 20 degrees today. Lots of bugs, yet again, as per usual. So I'm going to start a fire out here so when he gets back, we're not getting eaten alive. We unloaded a bunch of stuff from the camper, brought a bunch of stuff here, so I got stuff all over the deck. I'm kind of cleaning it up right now. But this will be the wall that we're going to do, is right here. Attach it to the house again. And then we'll have both sides there, and we'll just have to do this far wall here. Hopefully Jeremy can get our trusses and stuff ordered while he's in town. So I think it takes a week or two for that to come in, the metal and the trusses. So yeah, hopefully he orders that today. And then we'll be ready for it by the time they get in, which is pretty awesome. This little thing over here just covered in sand. She loves the sand pile. My land, doesn't she? I got a little fire going. It's not much, but it's just enough to keep the bugs down. Smoky. And I'm building up around the fire pit. See, I'm just collecting more rocks to put all around there. I've been meaning to do that for a while. So I'm just going over here and collecting them and bringing them over. Just a little baby fire. So Jeremy's friend drove up today. He's going to help us put this wall together. Drove up on his beautiful Harley motorcycle. Nice day for a drive. They went and got all this wood. And yeah, it'll be nice to have some help standing this wall. So we're going to build the wall right here. Right there. Today. Then we'll have 2 walls standing on the addition. Pretty awesome. Got my fire going a little more and built it up a little bit with some rocks around the yard. Keep the bugs down, hopefully, that smoke. So I'm going to take my burgers and go outside and make up some burgers and some french fries for the boys and for myself. I'm feeling a little hungry. And we are just going to enjoy this Saturday evening outdoors with, on our deck. That's partially finished now, so that's really exciting. So we're out fishing at the water hole. We got this guy keeps peeking out at us. We're right here. Look, here's Jeremy. Here he is, and we're standing beside Jeremy. He just don't care. He just keeps getting a little closer and closer.
Where are you at now?
Such a beautiful spot here.
There he is.
Where is he now?
Right there, he's just a little farther.
Oh. Just watching. Yeah.
Going that way.
Sunday, the day of rest, so we came out for a fish. It's very quiet and peaceful around here. This is maybe 20K up the road.